Hi, I'm Kirly-Sue and I love cake. In fact, I try not to eat too much cake, but particularly being a vegan, sometimes you can't always get cake that is suitable for vegans, or sometimes I just can't be bothered to go out to the shops, particularly in lockdown. It's such a drama sometimes to, you know what it's like, queuing and so forth, so I thought. But I've learned how to make mug cakes and I've invented a couple of recipes. So today we're going to make mug cake. So basically a mug cake is take a mug, just like this one, and you create a cake in the mug. You cook it in the microwave, takes a minute and a half, and it tastes really good. So this is my recipe, but just before I show you how to make it, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll see lots of recipes just like this one, and comment in the comment section below if you want me to make any other mug cakes. I actually have one on my channel already, but I can make a peanut butter, a chocolate and peanut butter one. I can make a raisin and banana one. If you'd like me to make others, comment in the comment section below, and if there's one that I haven't mentioned that you would like me to try out, I don't know, red velvet or something, comment in the comment section below and I'd be more than happy to show you how to make a vegan mug cake. So let's learn now how to make a mug cake. video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click and subscribe down here. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will know every time I upload a new plant-based, which is also vegan, video just like this one. Please don't forget also to comment in the comment section below so you can let me know, is there a particular recipe you would like me to make a video for, or is there a particular ingredient you usually add to a particular recipe that you'd like me to know about? You know, because we can all learn together. I mean, I know a lot of different recipes, but different people always use different ingredients, and every day is a school day, so I'm always willing to learn. Eat good, eat clean, eat blessed. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.